How to install Snapchat app quick and easy tutorial. Hi guys, welcome back. Today I'm giving you a tutorial on how to install Snapchat app. So let's get started. Snapchat is a chatting platform also where we can create photos, we can add different filters, we can create memories, and there's so much to Snapchat. How to install it? It's actually really easy and you can do it on your iOS or on your Android. So first, what you have to do is you will open up your Play Store or Apple Store on your phone. So I have opened up a Google Play Store. I am using an Android phone. If you're using Apple, again, just open up your Apple Store. In the search bar, you're going to search for Snapchat, and the first app you see is going to be Snapchat. It has a yellow icon right here with a ghost on it. So I'm going to open it up, click on install, and it will start installing your app for you. I have already installed it. That is why it says update, and then we have uninstall. So you will click on the install option given, and it will just take a second to install, like few minutes. With Snapchat, we can create snaps, we can chat with our friends. There are different filters. We can create stories and spotlights. So once the app is installed, you can get back to it and you can create your own account with your Google account, create your own, emoji, and we can create our own characters. Then you can start taking photos, and it has its own camera, which gives us a lot of different filters. So this is how you can install Snapchat and use it to create snaps and chat with your friends. I hope that I was a big help. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, leave a comment down below, turn on bell notification, and subscribe to YouTube channel.